Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to activate interest calculation in your Tally ERP9 software. For the purpose of activating the interest calculation, you have to change your accounting feature setting, for which you have to go to F11 features option. Just select F11 from your keyboard. You will find the company feature option in which you have to select accounting features. Under accounting feature, you will find the outstanding management, under which there is a question for accounting activate interest calculation. Just select here yes and save your setting. How you can save setting? Just press Ctrl plus A. Ctrl plus A is a shortcut to save anything in your Tally ERP9 software. Now I am entering into the transaction. So I am making the entry for my voucher. Unsecured loan taken from SPL and Company as on 15th May for rupees 11,50,000, on which 10% interest is charged. So I am writing here 15th May. Here I have to write my bank name. So I am writing my bank name. Here I have to write my ledger name. Ledger is not prepared, so I have to prepare my ledger. What is the shortcut to prepare ledger? Alt plus C. Alter plus C. SPL and Company. It is under the head unsecured loan. Here you have to select active interest calculation. Just select yes here. You have to select interest parameter, whether it is for amount added. So I am selecting yes. Whether it is for amount deducted, I am selecting yes. Here you have to write the rate of interest. So it is 10%, and here you have to select the interest style, whether for it is a year or it is for a month. So I am selecting 365 days per year, and just press Ctrl A to save your ledger. Now here I am writing my amount 11,50,000. Loan given to Messrs Sonu Jewellers as on 1/6/2020 for rupees 11,25,000, on which interest is charged 12%. So it is a loan given, it is payment transaction. I am selecting payment. Here you have to write date. Here you have to select your bank. Now you cannot find this ledger, so just press Alt plus C. Here you can make your ledger Messrs Sonu Jewellers. Under the head loan and advances, here you have to select active interest calculation as a yes. You have to select the interest parameter, amount added yes, yes, amount deducted as a yes. Here you have to write your interest percentage, that is 12%, 365 per day. Just press Ctrl A to save your ledger. Now what is the amount of loan given? 11,25,000. Now third transaction, loan received back from Messrs Sonu Jewellers 30th November 2020. So loan received back, F6 for receipt transaction. Here I am writing my date. Here I am writing my bank name. Here I am writing my party name. This is Sonu Jewellers. How much amount? 5,25,000. Just press Ctrl A to save your entry. Loan repaid to SPL and Company as on 5th December. Just press F5 for payment. I am writing here date, my bank name, SPL and Company. How much amount? 5,15,000. Just press Ctrl A to save your entry. Now suppose you want to see your interest calculation, just go to the display menu, from which you have to select accounting books. Now you have to select a ledger. Here you have to write your ledger name. I am writing SPL and Company, from which I have taken loan. So this is my whole year ledger. So I am changing my period 31st March 2021. So this is my ledger of SPL and Company from April to March. Now you will find here related report tab. Just select on it or just press F8 from your keyboard. You will find the list of the report. From the list of the report, you have to select the interest calculation. You will find the ledger interest for your selected period. You can also change your period by pressing Alt plus F2 or by pressing here F2 period option. So this is my interest amount for my loan taken from SPLN company. You will find that this is my interest amount for 204 days. This is on total amount. Afterwards I have made payment for my part of the loan amount. So the interest is charged on a remaining balance. So it is for remaining days only. So this is way you can calculate your interest amount in your Tally ERP9. Suppose I want to check my interest for my another ledger. So just select F4 ledger from your right hand side or just press F4 from your keyboard. You will find the list of ledger. Here you will select your ledger name, that is Sonu Jewellers. This is my ledger for my whole period. Just select related report menu. Select interest calculation. Here you will find my interest calculation for my Sonu Jewellers. This is the total amount. So in this way, in your Tally ERP9 software, you can calculate the interest amount for your particular ledger. I hope you will understand this concept. In the next video, we will discuss another features about Tally ERP9. Thank you.